Traditional FR4 processing removes copper through direct contact drilling and CNC milling. Tool wear, calibration drift, and edge defects limit precision and consistency. CINA Laser's Nanosecond MOPA system performs laser etching using galvanometer scanning. The process is completely non-contact and targets only designated copper areas for precise ablation. Pulse parameters are fully adjustable. Energy delivery is uniform and stable, and no mechanical stress is introduced to the board. Laser etching enables continuous automated operation with stable parameter replication, defines the future direction of efficient, consistent, and high-precision manufacturing.